Ledges are small parallel consolidation zones that tend to develop at the beginning or even during a trend. The more narrowly compressed such a zone appears, the significantly greater the overall probability of a breakout. A significant price breakout from this consolidation ledge occurred immediately right after a clear pattern of double absorption had fully formed on the price chart. The occurrence of double absorptions in combination with these ledges can frequently offer active day traders with many highly lucrative opportunities for successful trading.